Pterodactyl here. Today I'm going to explain to you why these mulch plugs don't work. Well, they do work if the person that's operating the mower knows how it actually is supposed to work. When you're mulching grass, you're not supposed to cut more than 2 inches off at a time. That's how it works. If you try to cut more than 2 inches at a time, it just builds up underneath the deck. And then in this person's case, it built up so much that it jammed the blade. The blade is jammed, look. Because the grass has nowhere to go. You're not going to grind that grass up fine enough. Look at, oh, hey, look what we found. Throttle knob from somebody else's mower. Probably one of their old ones. So these mulch plugs, you got to know how it works in order for it to work properly. 2 inches of grass at a time, not 4 feet of grass. Your lawnmower is not a bush hog. So this is the result. Grass had nowhere to go. Look at it, jammed up in there. And you could tell they were trying to cut some tall grass. Look at that. Some tall grass. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go to my web store and buy some Taryl apparel. And as always, there's your dinner. Woo! Mulch plug don't work! Burn the belt! It's my fault though. It's all my fault.